Are ghosts real? Do spirits exist? These are questions millions of people ask themselves each day, as we search for proof of what happens after we die. Thousands of videos and pictures exist claiming to be proof of ghosts, but none of them have so far convinced everybody. People assume that if they can't explain something in natural terms, then it must be something paranormal. But every day, there is a growing number of videos and images captured around the world that just cannot be explained.
Number 10.
This strange security footage, reportedly from Russia, was found by an unknown user browsing the deep web. The video shows what appears to be two security guards at their post, when one of them is suddenly dragged off camera by an invisible force.
Number 9.
Ghost hunter Tony Smith was in the cemetery of a haunted manor near Trowell when he says he felt a presence and heard footsteps. It's thought it could be the spirit of a plague victim from the 1400s.
But yeah,
Number 8.
that was the tragic story of my my bringing down of my dear. Oh my!
YouTuber Rubsy was streaming at a friend's house, when all of a sudden, paranormal activity started to occur behind him. It was all caught on video.
Dude, the light, you just turned it off and it went back on?
Number 7.
You'll get that now, yeah?
Number 6.
Make sure it doesn't fall. I heard footsteps, I'm sure it did. Come on, if you're here, walk up this corridor.
Front of the infrared there, but
Right.
a noise is kind of, I don't know, it's like in the centre here.
Okay.
Come on, if you hit. If you hit, what's that?
What's that?
There.
Carl, I can see it now.
Go for it, go. Yeah. I'm right behind you,
Carl, look, get your torch. Hello?
I think he fell upstairs.
Who are you? Hello?
Who was that?
Get your camera here quick.
That's definitely personal, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
Hello?
Okay.
Come on, if you hit. If you hit, what's that?
What's that?
There.
Okay.
Come on, if you hit. If you hit, what's that?
What's that?
There.
Carl, I can see it now.
Go for it, go. Yeah.
Number 5.
Whoa! Whoa!
Number 4.
Like someone tried to.
Hold on. You hear that? Quiet. You hear that? You hear that?
I heard something. You want first.
What the hell is that?
Whatever it was. Maybe a sec.
Oh,
I don't know. Kitchen is over.
bricks falling down. This whole wall's gone, dude. That's crazy. Old stove. I don't know if you. Hold on. You hear that? Oh, let's get out of here, man. It's creepy. Oh my god! Oh my! Get out of here!
After this video was uploaded online, the family that recorded it has since gone missing.
Number 3.
Eerie footage captured in an empty college classroom appears to show a ghost sitting in front of a computer. The video shows a semi-transparent figure, seen sitting at a desk, in front of the computer.
This is Christina's birthday
Number
party.
2.
And everyone at it, there's Brianna, her little cousin. There's Haley, her other cousin. And there's her daddy Tommy.
Hello.
And here's her Aunt Misty. And here's her Uncle Joey.
What up with it?
What up with it? Alrighty, let's go, Yes. Daddy lighting the candles.
So we can get you a little cake on camera so we
Yeah.
can remember your party. And we'll give the happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chrissy. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah! Blow your candles out, girl.
You gonna blow that? Yeah.
You gonna cut the cake that long or you want me to?
Go ahead, I'm running the camera.
Alrighty.
Daddy's cutting the cake.
Did you like the bicycle and stuff you got for your birthday?
Oh my God, Tommy, it's gonna start again. Oh my God,
man.
no.
It ain't gotta mess everything up.
He's gonna mess this up for everybody now.
Come on, Sissy. Come on, baby, come on. I don't know what's gonna happen. Come on. This is ridiculous. Hey, I'm sorry, baby.
Seems like it's missing everything at 4 seconds.
It's okay. It'll be all right.
God, I can't. We should have had this at Jerry's house.
Okay, it might not
It's
do
just
anything else, okay?
this stuff is starting again.
You're all right.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
You're okay.
I'm so sorry.
God damn! Oh God!
What the hell is going on? Go to the front room. Go to the front room, girls. Go.
Oh God! Oh my God!
Let's get out of here. Come on. Let's go with him. Let's go.
Number 1.
This is a video recorded by a man identifying himself as Victor. He claims that for months, there were strange sounds that would come from the basement of his house. With the help of his brother, they investigated the basement while recording video. This is an actual video they recorded.